1. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. 2. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. 3. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. 4. It always seems impossible until it's done. 5. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. 6. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. 7. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. 8. There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. 9. Difficulties break some men but make others. No axe is sharp enough to cut the soul of a sinner who keeps on trying, one armed with the hope that he will rise even in the end. 10. I am fundamentally an optimist. Whether that comes from nature or nurture, I cannot say. Part of being optimistic is keeping one's head pointed toward the sun, one's feet moving forward.